Aren't we all physically enlightened? Yes or no?
Yes.
All with me? The yes was quite few. How many with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Physical enlightenment. Yes, we all know to drive a car. We all know to shake hands. We all know to do our work. We all know to use the laptop. Physical enlightenment. The second enlightenment we come to. Enlightenment of your mind. We are all enlightened mentally. Mind. Isn't it? How many with us? All of you with me? Very good. Yes, because we can use our mind. Okay? This is a very nice one. Okay, so enlightenment of mind. We all can use our mind. Okay? We all must be very well placed in our own field, with our own studies, with our own diplomas, certificates, I don't know what not and what not. And the last enlightenment, the third enlightenment, the enlightenment of the soul or the enlightenment of the spirit. These are the three enlightenments. When you start practicing Tai Chi Qigong, you are with physical enlightenment. When you go through practicing, give meditation good time of practice Tai Chi Qigong, then you have a mind enlightenment. And once you have physical enlightenment and mind enlightenment coming together, then the soul and the spirit is also enlightened. Okay? All agree with me?
Yes.
Sure? There's one gentleman who doesn't agree with me. Okay?
The enlightenment of the soul, that you have to explain.
Yeah. And that, like I told you first, enlightenment of the soul and all that comes under spiritual Tai Chi, which is not the topic today. Okay? We are just doing introduction to Tai Chi, secrets of Tai Chi, health and enlightenment. Yeah. Yeah. We will come to that. Okay? Before we finish, come to that. Right? Is that fine? So far so good? Very good. So now what do we do is, we try to feel energy. Okay? We try to connect with energy and we will try to do something with that energy. Right? All with me again? You all want to do that. Now, what I will show you now, these actions you may have done before, because I myself have done a lot of healing therapies, right from Reiki to pranic healing, you name it, to quantum touch and whatnot. And most of the people use this. So we will use these actions to get in touch with this energy with a small meditation. Okay? And because I'm talking about healing, healing is altering the body. Okay? All agree with this. Healing is like altering the body. Right? So we'll try to alter the body with the energy that we harness right now in this place. Okay? So we just do a small meditation. Right? So you all prepared to do the meditation? Yes. Have your feet flat down. Do not cross your legs, please. Okay? Try to keep your back. See that you are not hand sitting. Very good. Now all of us, we will have a right palm in front of the neck, 3 inches away. We will have a left palm just below your navel, 3 inches away. Do not touch it, sir. Don't touch it. Okay? Now you will have your tongue up on the upper teeth or upper palate, but you are not going to touch your tongue. It has to be a centimeter away from your upper palate. Do not touch the tongue up. This is the third secret of Tai Chi. Not touching the tongue up. Now when you don't touch the tongue up, you will gather saliva. Swallow the saliva. Again, this topic is for some other time. Okay? But it is going to do good to you, that's for sure. So have the tip of the tongue up, not touching. Keep your eyes closed. And just follow my voice. Visualize and feel what I ask you to do. Okay, see that you are in this posture, which is going to be very relaxed. प्रशांत जरा हाथ चेक करना सबका प्लीज. Now you visualize and you feel a white transparent energy column like a tube in the center of the body, which will start from the top of your head, move right down to the root chakra area. Relax your palms. See that your fingers are relaxed. Relax a bit, sir. Relax. Yes. Your whole body should be relaxed in this. Visualize a white transparent energy column like a tube in the center of your body inside, starting from the top of your head, moving right down to the root chakra area. Now each time you inhale, you feel the universal energy moving into this tube inside your body. Feel like a connection of energy moving right from top from the universe, moving into your body inside this tube and settling down behind your navel. You can let the energy come in its own color. You can let the energy move inside your body in its own shape. Do not regulate it. Each time you breathe in, feel the universal energy moving into your body through this white energy column, a transparent tube. Feel this energy being collected behind the navel in the center of your body. Do not regulate your breathing also, let it be normal. Okay, very slowly open your eyes, keep your palms where it is, open your eyes. Now bring your palm down and just bring it in front of each other like this. Okay, now as you inhale, slowly move your palms away, but keep your elbows away from your body. As you inhale, move your palms away slowly, don't go beyond your shoulders. As you exhale, bring your palms close. As you inhale, move your palms away. As you exhale, bring your palms close. Remember to relax your body completely. As you inhale, move your palms away. As you exhale, bring your palms close. As you inhale, move your palms away. Concentrate between both your palms. As you exhale, bring your palms close. Do not move behind your shoulders. Very slowly. You may now close your eyes if you need to. Again, relax your body. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Keep moving your palms, but be relaxed. Keep your fingers slightly away from each other. Okay, keep moving and open your eyes. We'll do another move. Now slowly roll your palms forward. Very slowly. Keep your fingers open, palms a little bit away from each other. Now again, close your eyes. Now as you inhale, you concentrate on the inside of the left palm. As you exhale, concentrate on the inside of the right palm. As you inhale, concentrate on the inside of the left palm. As you exhale, concentrate on the inside of the right palm. With your breathing. As your breath, so goes your palms. Do not move fast. As you're breathing, you move your palms. And as you move the palms with your breath, you also concentrate on the palms on the inside. Now we'll change our meditation, our concentration for a while. Now as you inhale, concentrate on the inside of the right palm. As you exhale, concentrate on the inside of the left palm. As you inhale, concentrate on the inside of the right palm. As you exhale, concentrate on the inside. Very slowly. Again open your eyes. Keep your palms moving. Now slowly move the palms in a straight line in front and bring it close to you again. Very slowly. Move it in front. Move it back to you. Move it in front. Move it back to you. Move it in front. Now, as you inhale, bring your palms close to your body. As you exhale, move the palms away from your body. As you inhale, move the palms close to your body. As you exhale, move the palms away from your body. Inhale, normal breathing, move close. Exhale, move away. Very slowly. Once again, if you feel like, you can close your eyes. Once again, keep moving. Open your eyes. We'll do the last move. Now you slowly circle your palm. Up, around, down, back again from where you started. Relax your body. Relax your palms. Keep your fingers apart. Relax. Keep it moving in circles. Very slowly. Okay, now you may open your eyes, cup your fingers. You will clap 3 times and then you will rub your palms. 1, 2, 3. Rub your palms. Now if your palms from warm to hot, that is the energy that you have generated for yourself. You may place your palms on painful areas or on your face. Anybody can give me a feedback? What did you feel by doing this exercise? No feedbacks? Yes, sir. All the steps. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Lots of? Anybody else? Yes, sir.
Relaxation.
Uh-huh.
And I felt the air around which normally I don't.
Don't feel. Very good. Relaxation and the air around which normally he did not feel. Fantastic. Very nice. That means the energy that he was generating was moving into his energy body or the aura. Okay, so the stuffiness moves away and you're getting a surge of universal energy which is fresh and pure. Very good. Anything more? Felt almost sleepy. Yes, these are the signs of bringing the universal energy. Relaxing, sleepy, feeling open. Very good. Very good. Exist. Okay. You don't know. Yes. So yeah, that's what I said in the beginning, that we have the energy, don't recognize it. Okay. So now we know how to recognize the energy. So you can do this exercise anytime you feel. Now, okay, we have brought the energy into us. Like I told you, to gather it behind your navel. Now we will use the energy to alter the body. Okay, so now we have just done it. We won't search for healing. Okay, because time doesn't permit. Okay, maybe if you keep bringing me back to Help Library, I'll keep teaching you new things. So today what we'll do, a little alteration in our body. Now why did I pick that up? Instead of me calling one of you, giving you healing and taking away your headache or your pain, I want you to experience it and I want you to know that you do it yourself. Okay? So physical movement or physical energy. What was the next? Mind energy, sound energy and soul energy. Okay? Physical energy, I will show you what to do. Let's start from down. Soul energy, spirit energy. What is the soul? Pardon? Nobody? Anybody? Come on, give me any. Don't worry. Everything, you can call the soul by many names. Atma, yes. Inner self, beautiful. That's very nice. Inner self. Very good. Yes, sir? Spirit, very good.